The feature we'll talk about now is the requirement search and the search syntax. How do you find requirements with a specific property? How can you check if all requirements are linked to a Jira issue? We will explain all those use cases in this video. The basic structure of a criteria is the name of the attribute, the sign equals, and the value between single quotes. You can also use the tilde instead of equal for the soft equality and the percentage sign in the value to match any expression. You can also use is null or is not null, and you can coordinate criteria using and, or, not, and parentheses. Let's see examples. If you're looking for requirements with an exact key, search for key equals your key between quotation marks. If you want to look for all the keys with the same prefix, you will search for key, tilde, the requirement prefix, and the percent symbol as a wildcard in your value between single quotation marks. If you want to search for all requirements with an attribute, use the at property. For example, at component equals ABC. Searches for all requirements whose property component is equal to ABC. If your property has a space or a special character, you can escape it with the backward slash. For example, at the space component requires a backslash before the space. If this is too difficult to type, you can just go into the pop-up of one requirement and click on the property. We will build the search query for you. To go further, how do you search for requirements which don't have any Jira issue attached? The name of the field is Jira, so you can search for Jira is null. Similar to the properties, you can specify the name of the relationship using the at symbol. For example, Jira at tests is null. Can you guess how to find requirements which have no children of type relates? Same way as before. From at relates is null returns all requirements with no children of type relates. The to keyword is the opposite relationship. Here's a quick overview, seen in the previous video, to remember which terms to use for ascending relationships and descending relationships. A common mistake when searching for the parents of a requirement is to start the query with parent equals your key. This is not searching for the parent of the key, but rather the requirement whose parent is fn1. And finally, imagine you want to look for all requirements defined on a page, search for page tilde in the page number, but if this is too complicated, you can always click into the small byline on top of a page and on View in Search. All of this information is written in our search syntax page in our documentation. Feel free to refer to it whenever you are looking for a field. The search syntax can be used in many places in Requirement Yogi. The next video will explain how to build a traceability matrix, baselines, and other features.